Okay, now we're going to shoot some video of some of the oil-filled engines. We'll ride down through here now. Got a bunch of them running over here, so you'll be able to capture some of the sounds. So we'll start out and just ride down through there and back. I don't know anything about them, so I can't talk about them. So that'll be a good thing for y'all guys. So you won't have to listen to me yell. There's a nice one running right there. Call this group the Ophir. I'll get a picture of that sign here. Oil-filled engine society, I believe they call it. Later on tonight, after dark, they'll have all a bunch of engines running and the smudge pots going, and it's really neat to see. Running over here, we'll ride down and take a look at. Sounds of that one. Are you all right?
Sorry about that.
Hey, you got the right of way as far as I'm concerned.
That's okay.
I don't mind hitting the brakes. I'm gonna go back down through here now and video the other side. Bessemer engine. There's my friend Larry. He's president of our club at home. This little Spain engine right here belongs to a good friend of mine, James Trent. I used to belong to him. Got another big boy running down here. Little boggers. They're kind of neat. Easy to haul around. hit and miss. A little horse and a half like mine. Oh, this is my good friend of the state. Another Bassman. Down this road now. Catch a few more of these. Let you watch and charge that one. Well, maybe you won't. This bad boy over here, this Fairbank. I would like for you to hear that running. That has a wonderful sound to it. Maybe we'll shoot some more video tonight out in this area with them all running later on this evening. That's about all I want to shoot for the oil fields for now. We'll go get some regular hit and miss here in a little bit.